Welcome to Born Cottage. Do you know what the inside layout of this beautiful tiny house? In this video I'll share the complete floor plan with all the sizes and details, so keep watching the video. So this is the floor plan of the house. The total area I have taken is the length is 20 feet in meter 6 meter and the width is 8 feet in meter 2.43 meter. In the front we have a door here. After that we'll go inside. So we have living plus kitchen area. You can see here the kitchen cabinet with burner, sink and refrigerator arrangement. Also on the left side we have dining counter with two chairs and sofa cum bed, and we have TV unit on the front wall and some windows for ventilation and light purpose of this area. And after that we'll go on the left side. So we have common use washroom plus water closet here. You can see here the wash basin, water closet and the shower area, and we have ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. So this is the floor plan of the house you are watching on the screen. If you want your free house design, so comment below. If you like the video, keep watching the video. Stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.